Unlocking the mystique of Canadian English idioms. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting episode. Today, we're venturing into the fascinating world of Canadian English idiomatic expressions. This video will help you understand these expressions in context and apply them in real-life conversations. Before diving into the practice and application of idioms, let's quickly revisit what Canadian English idiomatic expressions are. These are phrases or expressions that carry a meaning not deducible from the individual words. They often reflect aspects of Canada's culture, history, and regional influences. For example, take the phrase, "out for a rip." If you try to translate this idiom word for word, it may not make sense. But in Canadian English, it means to go for a drive or ride for fun, often in a recreational vehicle. The most effective way to learn idioms is by seeing them in context. This helps to infer the meaning based on the situation. For instance, if someone says, "The Leafs skated circles around them last night," it does not literally mean that the Toronto Maple Leafs were ice skating in circles around their opponents. Instead, this idiom means that the Leafs vastly outperformed their opponents. Now that we've understood the idioms in context, it's time to practice and apply these expressions. We'll go through a few dialogues and scenarios to help you understand when and how to use them. 1. Dialogue. 2. A. Are you heading to the Timmy's after work? 3. B. Yes, I could use a double-double. Here, heading to the Timmy's means going to Tim Hortons, a popular coffee shop chain in Canada. A double-double is a coffee with 2 creams and 2 sugars. Scenario. Imagine you're at a hockey game and the home team is winning. You might hear someone say, "The Canucks are really giving them the business tonight." This means the Canucks, a Canadian hockey team, are significantly outperforming their opponents. Try to incorporate these idioms into your conversations. It's fun and it's also a great way to sound more like a native speaker. And that's a wrap on Canadian English idiomatic expressions. I hope this video has shed some light on the fascinating idioms from the Great White North and given you the confidence to use them in your daily conversations. Remember, the key is to practice, practice, practice. Keep learning, and until next time, happy language journey.